Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be having a look at Ergo, a programmable DeFi blockchain with an improved proof of work protocol. This protocol does not sound like proof of stake, which immediately does not give me a good vibe. But nevertheless, we're still going to discover what Ergo is because I've never heard of this coin before. First time I'm hearing of it. By the way, this coin was recommended to me by Top 10, a commenter, a subscriber to our channel. So thanks to Top 10 for recommending this. We will check it out. I wasn't sure at first if I wanted to look into this, but you know what? We need to look into new coins, need to discover new coins. That's part of the business. Right now, Ergo is ranked at 225 in the world of all cryptos. It's got a market cap of $245 million, $4.19 per coin. That's not bad. And it's got an extremely low circulating supply at 58 million and 97 million in max supply. Trading volumes are also low at 3.5 million, but we're seeing potential. Clearly there are people investing. Look at the last 3 months of trading volumes. This was in August. In the middle of August, there was a huge trigger and the price just started to jump from around $1.60, $2 to immediately just jump above $3, $3.50. It's quite impressive. And it stayed that way until the end of August. And in September, it's just been above $4, $5 at some points. So it's growing steadily, but gradually. It's available on a few different platforms such as Gate.io, KuCoin, Huobi Global, but it's not available on Coinbase. Coinbase is the main exchange that I use personally. But hey, volumes are looking good. People are investing. I went to the website and the first thing that struck me is that they have an ecosystem. I checked out the ecosystem and they have dApps, they have applications. They have decentralized applications being built on their ecosystem. That's great. I like this. So I wanted to see all projects. I clicked on see all projects and it brought me to this Sigmaverse. What exactly is the Sigmaverse? I'm not familiar with it, but this is where it brought me. So it says browse all projects. So these are some of the projects that are on the Sigmaverse. So it looks like the Sigmaverse has something to do with Ergo. I don't know exactly what it has to do with Ergo. Is it owned by Ergo? Are they in a partnership? But it looks like it's integrated into Ergo. It looks like it's part of the Ergo ecosystem. And obviously, we've got to add your dApp button right there. They want more dApps. They want people to add applications to their ecosystem, to add value, to add more users. And that's great. I like that. I'm not knocking that in the slightest. I like that because that makes it more valuable over time. These are some feature projects. Aneta BTC, Sky Harbor. What the hell is Sky Harbor? Is that a game? Looks like a game or NFT site or something. It's an NFT marketplace actually on the Ergo blockchain. That's pretty good. They have their own NFT site. I'm already excited by what I see. This is the roadmap. So far, these are what they've accomplished. What a long list of stuff. That's good. That's good. You know what? I underestimated this at first, but I like the way they explain things. It's really simple. They've got the ecosystem. They've got the roadmap. Everything is explained easily. Up next is Ergo Dex on ADA, Mixer tokenization, Dexy USD, Ergo Hack V, Ledger, Oracle V2, Exchange Listing, Ergo Lend, Babel Fees, Flux Parallel Assets, Sigma Join, Sky Harbor. They've got plenty of things that they're working on. They've got things to work on in late 2022 and beyond in early 2023. Plenty of stuff that they've got to work on. So I like that. I'm not going to lie. So now that we check out the ecosystem, we've checked out the website, let's find out what Ergo really is. What does it stand for? Well, for one, Ergo is a project that boasts a programmable blockchain with an energy efficiency and stable mining protocol. Now, obviously, Ergo is trading at $4.19 with a cap supply at 97 million. Now, what is Ergo? Well, it's a secure blockchain equipped with decentralized finance functionalities. Ergo achieves this by taking features from the top two cryptocurrency projects, Bitcoin and Ethereum. The project used proof of work consensus protocol from Bitcoin to secure the network and implement smart contracts like Ethereum for its DeFi features. That's great. It's taken two of the most popular blockchains, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it creates its own. So Ergo is basically Bitcoin and Ethereum put in one. I like that. I like that a lot. Ergo utilizes a mining protocol known as Autolycos, a modified version of Bitcoin mining pool. Now, Altalicos protocol is highly resistant to large mining pools and application-specific integrated circuits, miners, making it more energy efficient. Moreover, to further mitigate the negative environmental impacts of Bitcoin's proof-of-work protocol, Ergo limits the mining size for each node. Damn, that's interesting. So these coins that you see, the 97 million coins in max supply, these need to be mined. These coins need to be mined. That's the good. I like that. Now, Ergo's native token is called ERG, or just ERG. The protocol had a fair launch where the project did not hold any initial coin offering. Instead, Ergo adopted a proof-of-work launch model where users would have to mine or buy the token on a secondary market to acquire them. The project distributes these ERG tokens through block rewards. The block reward started at 75 ERG for the first 2 years, 2019 to 2021. After the first 2 years, ERG block reward will steadily decrease until they reach 8 years after launch, capping the total supply around 97 million. By then, the rewards miners will be secured. By then, the rewards miners will be sourced from storage fees and transaction fees instead. Now, Ergo has its own programmable blockchain, so developers can build decentralized application on it. Current dApps on Ergo includes Sigma USD. Of course, we've looked at that already, and Erg Auction House made for NFTs. Both Erg and Ethereum are programmable blockchains. However, the main difference is that Erg does not require gas or transaction fees. Wow, I like that. I like that even more. Now, this gives Erg blockchain predictable development costs, making it easier for developers to decide whether to build dApps on the platform. Another difference is that Erg has its own scripting language called Erg Script. This programming language provides more functionalities and flexibilities for developers, allowing them to create powerful scripts quickly and without high costs. As developers program Erg smart contracts that are complex and secure, the network grows increasingly more suitable for various DeFi applications. Damn, I want to give them a round of applause. I like everything that I'm hearing so far. By the way, they do have a DEX, a decentralized exchange. What is Erg DEX? It's a non-custodial decentralized exchange on the Erg blockchain. This DEX allows users to transfer liquidity between Erg and Cardano network. Erg DEX implements an extended unspent transaction output or EUTXO model to enable liquidity sharing between the two platforms. Damn. So like Uniswap and SushiSwap, ErgDex is currently a DEX based on the automated market maker protocol. However, before it's fully integrated with Cardano smart contracts, ErgDex has planned to implement the order book protocol on its liquidity pools. The combination of the AMM protocol and order book protocol is possible due to the Ergo's and Cardano's EUTXO model. This model allows the possibilities of shared liquidity and interoperability on Ergo and Cardano blockchain. Damn. By the way, there's another thing. What is Ergo's storage rent feature? Throughout the years, Bitcoin has lost around 4 million coins due to lost and misplaced wallets address. On the other hand, the tokens from some projects remain untouched for a vast period of time, restricting the flow of tokens. Ergo instead resolved these cryptocurrency issue with a specific feature called storage rent. In essence, the storage rent mechanism recycles lost and unused token and return them in circulation. If the token is untouched for 4 years, miners are allowed to collect storage rental fees. These fees also serve as incentives for securing network once the block rewards becomes 0. That's brilliant. I think that's actually a really good idea. I think that could work for some cryptos, not for everyone, but I think it could work for Ergo. Now, Ergo team consists of members of blockchain frameworks and cryptocurrency backgrounds, members coming from projects such as NXT and Cardano ADA. The team also has multiple experienced software developers, including Alexandra Silasako and Denis Sadozia. I'm pronouncing these names really terribly. I do apologize. Ergo's co-founder Alexandra Cherpona and Dmitry Meshkov. So that's a little bit of history of the creators behind Ergo. Now, the future of Ergo. The token experienced a 1,878% growth this year, but the recent price movement is rather lacking. If the rumors of a bullish run are true, Ergo will likely follow the overall cryptocurrency market and trend and experience a price boost. I agree. If the next bull run hits quite soon, whenever it hits actually, Ergo is going to experience a great amount of money being poured into this crypto. And throughout its history, you can clearly see that Ergo has had times of being up above $22. Quite a lot of time it's had experience of being above $15 as well. So that's quite impressive. That's a good look. But right now, I'd consider this token to still be cheap and undervalued, considering that the ecosystem has only just begun being built out. The more developers Ergo can attract, the more applications they can bring over on their platform, the more value they'll add to their ecosystem. Long term, this token can easily be in the hundreds of dollars per coin. And I'm not joking, hundreds of dollars per Ergo token in the long-term future. That's in the next few years, of course. Now, in the next year, I can imagine the coin being hit $10, $20, $30. Before the end of this year, we can probably look at this coin even hitting $6, $7, getting close to $9, $10. I'm just being realistic based on its past. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. And of course, I'll see you in our next video.